rolling back. 2 big toes touching, keep the heels and knees apart, knees in line with the hips, hands on the floor, shoulder blades pulled down, neck and spine lengthened. And when you're rolling back, watch the chin doesn't crush down onto the chest, just slightly drop that chin. And on your next in-breath, drop the chin, curve the spine and roll back. Keep the head off the floor, breathe out as you come back up, sitting nice and tall. In-breath, drop the chin, push the back out, roll back. Breathe out as you come back up, sitting nice and tall. Make it a little bit harder, place the hands onto the front of the legs. And on the in-breath, drop the chin, push the back out, roll back. Breathe out as you come back up, sit nice and tall. In-breath, drop the chin, push the back out, rolling back. Breathe out as you come back up. Again, watch that chin doesn't rest down into the chest. And to make it a little bit harder, balance on those sitting bones. Lift the feet up off the floor, point the toes to the floor, sit nice and tall. If you lose your balance, bring the toes back down to the floor. And on your next in-breath, drop the chin, curve the spine and roll back. Breathe out as you come back up, sitting nice and tall. Breathe in as you roll back. Breathe out as you come back up, sitting nice and tall.